Hello friends, today I'm gonna make one of my favorite style dal khichdi, which is full of protein and fiber, just like a whole meal. Wherein I'm gonna use boiled broken wheat in a desi style along with Indian veggies and spices. We are going to top this khichdi with a ghee tadka and we will serve this khichdi with mesi ka masala to make a perfect blend. So let's start making this interesting recipe.
She had a broken wing, she's trying to have. And I was much too old to act on a feeling. But then again, I ain't never had someone to hold. I wrote songs for a mockingbird. Take them all, leave them, I know that she heard. Songs for a mockingbird. Looking at me, she sang every word. Songs for a mockingbird. Oh, you give and you take and you live and you learn. Songs for a mockingbird. Oh. We were out on the beach, covered in midnight. She made love to me under the stars. But now I'm sure it wasn't worth believing. 'Cause there ain't much room for love on a mountain of lies. I wrote songs for a mockingbird. Take them all, leave them, I know that she heard. Songs for a mockingbird. Looking at me, she sang every word. Songs for a mockingbird. Oh, how could you fake it? Is that what you were? Songs for a mockingbird. Oh.
I know, you love this recipe so much. Of course, then don't forget to try this recipe at your home and do let us know how did you like it. Don't forget to follow our social media pages of Rentio Toor Dal and do like and subscribe our YouTube page also. Thank you for watching us.